As you could probably hear, our work is pretty output driven, meaning, how many people are going, tracking fullness rates, et cetera. And we're starting to look at deeper sense of engagement in the community and a sense of impact. There are a couple ways we're doing that. Right now, we're building out data on how volunteers can meaningfully impact the most important issues. We've done that by identifying impact partnerships. One quick example. We went to a collection of our schools. One of their biggest issues they face are English language learners. Right? Folks are coming in, they're not familiar with English language, and if they do not get up to grade level by 3rd grade, it's very, very, very hard after that to get somebody caught up. So about 5 million English language learners in the US, 94% of ELL students test non-proficient on state assessments. Okay, so what we're going to be doing this year we have 5 schools, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 5 schools where we now have data sharing agreements, right? We're going to be bringing in programming targeted at English language learners, working with our volunteers, and we're now going to be able to track and say, do those students have a better trajectory than students who are not getting this added support, right? Our hope is across the schools that we will start to find those interventions that work, and then that gives us the ability using that data to then scale whatever interventions are working best across hundreds of other schools that we're working with. So this is where we're starting to talk about greater impact. We're also going to be looking to understand specifically how volunteerism helps neighborhoods. We're working with a capstone team from Columbia, and they're going to help us identify actual community health metrics that we can track and that we can relate to volunteerism. So, and finally, always, we're going to be looking for the increased benefit to volunteers of doing this work. One thing that makes volunteerism powerful is it is good for the communities you serve and it is good for you. Both things are true. And so from a mission perspective, we are now committed to showing that we're benefiting the community and we're benefiting the volunteer, and then hopefully together those two pieces together make for an even more powerful social services. Alrighty. Thank you, everybody.